All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. I don't know. I don't know what happened to my charts. They disappeared. I left my PC on because I was in that short, and woke up and the charts are gone. All this stuff is gone. Chart is gone. All that good stuff. Chart is gone that I was using. So yeah, there's that. There's that. What up, Marson? I'm awake. I feel like I'm not going to be going back to sleep, so I was like, why not? May as well stream. May as well stream. Kind of an interesting spot here, right here at 3 o'clock already. What up, Bonnie? I mean, I was going to be bearish, but kind of a little triple bottom here. Let's see what the ES wants to do here. It's retesting the 30 or 63 area. Technically, this would be my long trigger. I'm going to try it. I'm going to give it a shot here. I mean, I don't know. I don't love that the ES is right back at that 63 where it kind of rejected earlier. But we never ran the Asia high up there, 485. So thinking there's a potential to maybe retest that zone. It's only 20 points up. Going to need the ES to break that 63 area though, or this is gonna or this is gonna fail. It's kind of funny that Nasdaq's at the same level basically at the same time, 63. It's kind of funny there. We kind of have a little, little 1 minute trend. Had a little overshoot there. Still bearish in my opinion, but I don't know. I don't love it. I don't hate it. Kind of risking 10 points there. Like I said, my overall thought process is that we're probably bearish, but I don't really know. We'll see if it works still. A lot of wicks down there in the 450 area. Good morning, Lizelle. So we'll give it a shot here, see what we get. Stop to break even, obviously, kind of up in this area. I haven't traded London in a while, so I got to remember that it moves a bit slower. You should be waiting for retest. Oh, this doesn't even have the VWAP on it, does it? Nope. Chart has nothing on it. Nothing on it. Let's see what we get here. Technically, we created a little internal. We pushed back above it. Really should be stopped to break even here. Probably just kind of guarantees that it's going to be a break-even trade, but wanted to kind of see it go already, and it didn't. So for that reason, I'm just going to go ahead and take that off there. Move it to break even there. We are kind of generating some trend line liquidity that might be ran later. I don't know. It does look bearish to me. Looking bearish, but it could still rip higher here. We'll see how it goes. Normally, I might look for a trade back into 485. That would kind of be my lean. And what we could do for that to be an opportunity is we could just watch this gap right here, and if we close above, then we could maybe take it back to the upside. Again, this is kind of some engineered trend line liquidity, in my opinion. This could be ran. You could get a nice spike up through here, or you could just reject off this level, sweep the 52, and then maybe look for something back in that direction. So overall, if you're looking at the higher time frame, you would think that we'd still need a little more pullback, but we'll see. Let's see. You mark out these levels here on the ES as well. And see, the problem here is that the ES is not ran either. It hasn't ran the Asia high or the Asia low. It is just glued to the 63. So that might be our indicator there to look for ES to run Asia high or Asia low. And then that will give us an idea. My overall lean, maybe Asia high first. I don't know, since it's kind of refused to go lower. We'll see. Very tight range here on the ES overnight. So maybe we do continue to push up. I might have just killed this trade a little too early. That actually would probably be the break-even point right there at 66. But, interesting spot. Let's see what happens here. All right. Pulling back to the VWAP there on the ES. I am a little hungry this morning. Wake up at 3 a.m. hungry. We'll see what we get. I mean, to be honest, anyway, you'd want to, if we weren't going to short, I don't know, we could short here. It'd be okay. Risk is kind of defined, but as long as the ES kind of holds there at the 61, 62 area, we'll stick to this. I did take a short. You guys can see my entries here. I did a little late night stream, and we shorted right here, and I held it, and I just set my targets, and it hit those, and then I woke up and just covered that. Or where's the one I covered when I woke up? Was it? Oh, right here. So it's when I woke up this morning. I covered that. Still, I don't think it would have hit my target. Yeah. But I was short from kind of up here. Could have still been just in the short if I wanted to, but it's fine. Let's see kind of what we get here. Anybody in any positions currently? Anybody pushing the button already? Uh, 10% runner. So basically, Mancini saying 63 has to recover for Bulls to take control. Failure of the 63 zone. Yeah, so probably still looking short. No position, Marcin. What up, Pandol? Trading? Yeah, I did. I was asleep. Flat sleeping position with short bias. Yeah. I kind of think we're short bias too. That's what I was talking about earlier. It's like, but we still could get pops. I don't know. All right, I'll probably participate here. I'm thinking the short's going to play. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in a 1 here. And I'm going to kind of target that 43.50 area. Little double bottom here. If we push back up into this trend line off this double bottom, I will add. Did Tom guarantee targets for today, Marcin? I don't know. Let me ask him. Let me ask Tom. Let's see here. Double bottom there, equal lows at the 52.75 there. So if I get a little push back up here, we will add. And we'll take that off. I will watch the ES and see if the ES can sweep the Asia low at the 59.50 area. I'm hungry this morning. The hunger is real. The hunger is real. Where's Yoma at? Let me let me post this. That we're live. We're live. All right, I'm probably going to add here on this push back up. Let's see. probably should have added there, and I don't know, kind of missed my opportunity. So I still do it just for 3 points. I don't know if it's worth it. I don't know. What do you guys think? You think it's worth adding here for 3 points? Probably not. Unless we full port. All right, here we go. All right, I'm going to take that spot to add there. Oops, and we'll just take it off. Take one off here at the equal lows. Take that spot to add. Let's see. 3 points. Nothing crazy. What is this wick over here at midnight, guys? What is this right here? Like, what was the volatility here at 12:30? We had some news come out right there. It must be, right? You would think. Is this a news wick? Is there any news that came out at 12:30 a.m.? There had to be some news, I'm thinking, with that wick. What's my opinion about Tradeify? Straight sim funded, no need to create an account. You get an account to earn. John, I have a straight to sim funded account with them. I like them so far. I like that they pay out. They have automated payouts. No issues or anything like that with them. So I do like that. I like their other accounts too. So their growth and advanced accounts are pretty nice, not bad. So yeah, I do like them. Oh, let's see if let's check here, see what's going on here. See if this thing can hit our first target here. Very short first target, I do realize that. There we are, out of the first position. Kind of ran those equal lows. Pulling. Oh, that's that data wick too, huh? You know what? Oh, man, I don't know if I want to keep this on. If it ran the data wick there. Let me pull this 30-second chart back up over here so I can see what's going on here. Ah, dang it. What did it do with my chart? It moved my chart. Oh, it's so huge. What in the world's going on here? Oh, this is annoying, guys. Somehow I got my chart. All right. I think I just found my... Did I just find my other charts? No, I didn't. All right. No idea. I was in a long, and then there was a dump of 25 points. Yeah, I think there had to be some sort of news there, right? think there had to be some sort of news. I don't know what. Do we continue lower is the question. That is the question. I don't know. Do we know the answer to the question? If you guys haven't already, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I'm watching the ES here. Kind of want to see it take out the 59 level. Currently kind of holding up there at the 60. That's where the Asia low is. I don't know if I hold this much longer. I think if it takes out the Asia low, I'll probably just cover. But maybe we'll just go stop to break even and see what happens. Yeah, 10-point range makes it tough to do anything. Kind of chopping sideways. I mean, this was a decent candle here, but then it's like you measure it, 6 points. Everything is asleep. Yeah, there's no news, I don't think, today much. Let me look. Let me look. Is there any news today? I don't think there is. Again, I'm watching ES here. If it hits the Asia low before I hit my target, I'm either going to go stop to break even or cover. So we do have 830 non-farm productivity. It's too, ooh, there's that ES, what we were talking about. So I'm going to lock some in here. Actually, I'm just going to go stop to break even. I probably just get stopped here. I don't like that the ES swept the Asia low there. You're going to get a pretty bullish reaction, I feel like, out of that. Why is this not linking? So yeah, it doesn't look like much going on today here. Yeah, if the ES gets through that 59 level, we can go down further, but this kind of spooky that the ES just took out that ES level, or the Asia low. Since it hasn't taken out the Asia high, it could just go back to that. I don't know why it won't let me OCO. Is this order even in? It doesn't even look like that stop is actually, is it even in? I don't know, it's not letting me OCO the order. Didn't quite get to our target there. It's like, what, 3 points off, 4 points? So realistically, the safest spot for our stop is up here at 58. 4 points. Could we leave it at 58? I mean, we could. 20, 40, 60, 80. We'd still be in green for the day if it did take us up there and hit our stop. I don't know. You can't sit on lows. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing, Captain Price. It's like, it could easily push back up now and kind of take out the Asia high levels, but we don't know. Could easily do that. There's no real, I don't know, in my opinion, there's not really anything clean here, but again, ES breaks the 61 level there. 63. I mean, you got the Asia high up at 65. We'll kind of see what happens here. For now, I'll sit in it. I mean, realistically, stop safest up here, but I don't know that I want to risk that much. Kind of 10 points there. Let's see what happens here. ES kind of pushed back up towards the VWAP there and then kind of pulling back now. So, wait a second. Dude, how am I in 3 minis? What in the heck? That's why it wouldn't let me OCO. What happened? Holy smokes, I do not know what happened there. What in the world is going on here? I'm somehow in 3 minis. I'm not sure how, but I'm somehow in 3 minis. I just looked over and was like, how am I in 3 minis? I don't know, Tom. I don't know what happened there. What up, AS? Trade him up. Full ported. I was already full port. I had no idea. I don't know what happened there. I was in 3 minis. I don't know how I got in 3 minis. I literally, I don't know if I put another sell. Maybe I put a sell at the end of the equal lows instead of a buy. I may have. Might have been an accidental thing. Celebrity Tom Sabo in the house. He is here. Celebrity Tom Sabo. Yeah, that was wild. I was like, how am I in 3 minis? I don't know. Somehow. Good thing it didn't rip against me, right? I don't quite know. I mean, that's the only thing I think of. When I put my order down here, I thought I was selling, and I must have added. Yeah, that's the only thing. Yeah, that's what happened. You can see right there. So instead of putting a sell order there, or a buy order, I put a sell order. My bad. I think I recognized. I was like, why is this not letting me OCO my order? That's why. That's why. Well, at least we noticed it. At least we noticed it. I mean, ES kind of holding up there at the age of low for now. I kind of want to see this. I want to see just a little sweep of this area. And then maybe we can look for something back in the other direction. You know, a little sweepy. And then give me something kind of in here. But I don't know if we get it. What up, Rainier? Guys, you want to know a secret? You want to know a secret? I'm not wearing any pants. Out of the bed, straight to the computer, put on the hoodie. I actually want to take the hoodie off because I'm over here. It's hot now. I turned the fan off, and the heat just kicked on. Yeah, it's hot. Good morning, Mark. Mark, yeah, I'm going to try to throw in some more Londons into the end of the year. I kind of don't set an alarm. If I just wake up and I'm wide awake in a situation where, like, I don't feel like I'm going to go back to sleep, then yeah, I'll trade it. But I'm not going to have any, like, set schedule for London. Not going to have any set level. Naked trading, that's right. Naked trading's all serious. It's all fun and games. We'll push back up here. Again, if the ES reclaims the VWAP, I might consider getting out of this. Let's see here. I mean, there's nothing obvious here. I mean, I do think the draw's down here, but we'll see. Yoma in the house. What up? I said, Yoma, I know you're awake over there. I know you're awake. Look at Tom Sabo over there in the short with only 4 micros. What a wuss. Only 4 micros? You refuse to watch until I put on some pants? You the man. Tom Sabo's over there with less than half a mini. What's wrong with him? What's wrong with Tom? He's got no gamble in him. All right, Luke. Appreciate you. He's got no gamble in him over there. Come on, Tom. Let's see 20 micros. Throw it on there. Yoma's up since 5 a.m. editing the videos. I don't know what Tom's on, really. What account are you on over there, Tom? Are you on a funded account or no? I don't know if Tom's trades funded during London or not. He's up 10 points. Got a better entry than me. All right, I do think back below this wick right here, I do think I'm going to go stop to break even. What do you think, Yoma? I mean, below this wick, I don't know. We'd like to see a little expansion, right? Just a little woo, 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 woo. See if we get a little expansion below that wick. ES just made a new low. Nasdaq refused to. Nasdaq said, nope, not going to do it. Glad you're not trading. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. ES made a new low there, but it's just kind of a wick below, nothing crazy. Five micros long, save the market. Oh. I do think we're bearish. I woke up, Yoma. I just woke up and was like, all right. I laid back down and I looked at the time and I said, you know what? I'm wide awake. There's no point in going back to sleep. Might as well just get up and sling around some trades. Throw around some trades here. What up, Nordmark? I mean, the next level down on the ES is all the way down at 52, potentially. Currently at 59. Yeah, it is 3 a.m. I streamed last night too, Yoma. I streamed at like 8 to 9:30 p.m. Yeah, well, my New York sessions are usually, they've been a little shorter lately, and the fact that we got no news today, so... Yeah, Nordmark, I went to sleep too, though, to be fair. Holy cow, this chart is huge. What in the world is going on here? Why is this 30-second chart so big? Yes, bouncing off the Asia low there. Again, this is a spot where I might traditionally be looking for a long. But we're going to ride it out. I took some ecstasy. Dun, 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 dun. Took Asia high on ES. Took previous day low on ES, so who knows. Did we take the low? Oh, we did. But ES was hanging down at the lows. There is an SMT here as well. No Normark. I've never used them. That's probably a good point there, Mark. We'll see if the 1 minute trend holds here or not. Yes, at the VWAP. The VWAP. Yeah, ES did run. I didn't notice that was also the previous day low, the Asia low as well. Market only goes up. Yeah. You ready to full port long? Let's get it, Marcin. I don't know about a long yet, but yeah, maybe if we break above. Kind of if we break out of this 1 minute trend, we probably will move higher. We'll see. Yeah, normally, you know, probably would push. I would probably be looking for a long here. But we'll see. We're already in the short, so we'll just wait. Boom, boom, boom. See if the ES holds below 63 or not. It's a decent reaction off that 1 minute trend line there. We'll see here. See how we react here. I'd like for us to close back below my entry in the next couple of candles, but if we don't, it's not that big a deal. We just eat it. Well, this market is just moving quite slow. Quite slow. Yeah, Yoma, I'm pretty used to it, but it's been a while since I've traded it. It's been a while. It's been a minute. Not a whole lot of movement. That's why I'm kind of surprised that you get on at 2 a.m. Eastern. I would just get on at 3 if it were me, or 2:45. 2:45. I'm killing that. I may look for a re-entry. We're break even on the day basically. I'm gonna see what ES does at 63. If ES pops 63, then we're gonna long in 85. But let's kind of see what happens here. I guess that's true, Yoma, if you're already awake. 5 a.m. Nah, forget that. It's too early. So we'll see kind of what happens here. Like I said, if the ES pops that 65 or 63, And we kind of get above the VWAP here, and then I'm going to take the long into 85. We may go a little heavy into it. A little heavy. Full port. Like I said, once the ES ran the Asia low there, that normally would be my sign to start looking for a long. I was already in the short, so I just held it. It's kind of sad because I was going to go break even if we broke this swing. It was only 2 ticks away. So, didn't go to break even there because we didn't break the swing. But there is an SMT here, so we'll see. 9 to sleeping, 9 to 5. Oh, turn down for what? That's right. So let's see what happens here. Like I said, we pop the VWAP here. I'm just going to long it. And we could just get faked out here because ES could just push up to 63, retest it, and then turn right back down. But we could get head faked here. We really could wait for a close above 74 and just take the 10 points into 85, but feels like you're late to the party at that point. Already kind of late to it, to be honest. Yes, holding up there at the 63s. Yes, retested 63, pulling back. Good reaction off that 63 area. Maybe I should have waited for that to be tested. Might have. What up, Francis? Yesterday it was cold. Today we were flying up. Yeah, it could be. Rude. Z-Day G stream. What is that? What is... Oh, 0 Day J. Got you. When is 0 Day J on? I know he streams at some point during this. Random times. 5 a.m. Dang. Yeah, I do sleep. D, I just woke up today. I woke up, so I'm going to go back to bed. Trust me. I'll be going back to sleep. So what did we do? We pushed up there, just grab a little liquidity just to sell back down. Shook me out of my short, but shook me out of the short there. Your own messed up schedule with your toddler, slept with her from 4 to 7. Yeah, Newt's like, the kids will do that to you. All right, so we have an SMT with the ES. We're holding this gap here. We swept liquidity here. So if we close above here, then we'll take the long. That's the idea. And Max tends to agree. He's over there drinking out of his bowl. Like, what up? If this is too early for me. So if we get a close above here, we will long into the 485. Also be a higher low with an SMT. So we'll see. If it fails, it fails. I mean, what can we do? And also, let's not leave out the fact that we'd be fading Tom Sabo. You know what I'm saying? I mean, that's the thing. Fading Tom Sabo on the entry there. Oh. Fading the Sabo of Toms. Right now, it's not really showing a willingness to go higher, though. Let's be honest. I mean, we could easily reach down here and clear out the 30 area. But, you know, we're just trying to outline what might possibly happen. That's true, Marson. Actually, it's a 4 micro trade. 4 micro. He's in that puppy with 4 micros. And I'm going to full port with 3 minis. Little full port action. A little full port action. This gap's not very obvious, but levels, Yoma. There's levels. That's right. I don't know what level I'm on. I mean, I came into the morning thinking that we were bearish for sure, but it's a little spooky how the ES ran those lows. I don't know. Still could go lower, obviously, but just a little spooky. Just a little spooky. Thinking about jumping over to the fundeds and full porting. What do you guys think? Yeah, 4 micros versus 3 minis. He might be on a funded account there, so I don't blame him. I don't know if he is. I can't tell. He's got this hidden. You know? He's got that hidden from you guys. What up, Trader Rock? He hides it. See, I don't hide the fact that I'm on a eval here. 2 minis on the copy trader. All right, got you. I mean, I do like that rejection of the 63 area. If Lassie was on here, you would say that's a clear short area. Could be right. Probably would be right. But, hey. Ugh. What do we got? We got 2 minutes until the macro. 2 minutes to the macro. Do we get a quick run into the 485s when the macro hits? I don't know. If we do close lower here, if we close below here, I will probably full port short into the 30s. But if we close above, we'll full port long into the 85s maybe. Scaling out along the way. And whichever way we choose, just do the opposite, and that's what will work. Perfect. Don't say I didn't warn you. "51 seconds into the macro. What will it be?" The ES says that it'll be down. That's what the ES says. ES says it'll be down, but I don't know. I tend, you know, I just let the market tell me what it wants to tell me. And then we just do the opposite. Do we just short? I don't know. Kind of looks like short is the play. The detective went up Steam. Were you the one that posted that, Steam? I don't know. A friend of mine was at 4,705 APEX 50Ks but got denied. What is the bare minimum? You can't flip for 5 days in a row. There's no time limit on a trade with Apex. I think it's just $50 for 5 days, and then they can flip, open one micro. It's not a certain amount of time, just open and exit. But minimum $50 a day for 5 days. What up, Ubin? I am kind of like thinking short here, but I don't want to just jump in, though. Yes, correct, D. And then flip 3 days, I believe. MACD, RSI, TMO, WAE. No, not at the moment. Not at the moment. I do have those things, John, on a trading view chart, but I haven't even opened that chart in a minute, to be honest with you. All right, I'm going to go ahead and jump in short. I don't know. I kind of thought we might move higher, but we'll go. What's the stop? 10 points. I don't know. I don't know. We'll go with a little short here. We'll see what happens. Just one. Just only one mini. Like I said, I feel like we're bearish, but my instinct would normally have me looking for a long here. So if we do get a push above and a close above, I'll probably just kill it. Yeah, Tony, probably not a bad idea, right? We are on an eval just for fun. Ubin, I did not apply. I don't know. A lot of people said it just sucked, so I didn't. I ended up not doing it. So yeah, yes, this is pretty dry. Pretty dry, but I guess that's to be expected. Oh, really? Steam? 10-point stop to and 3-point TP with two minis. Not bad. Look at there. Look at there. You do it. You knew it was coming. As soon as I entered short, right? Hmm. Yeah, AS, I don't know. I don't mind it. I mean, I'm just on an eval, so I don't feel like I'm wasting anything just being on an eval. You know what I mean? We could be more aggressive and not really care too much about the result. Not care too much about the result there. All right, I am going to go ahead and kill this, though. This is what I was kind of waiting for, and then, you know, I was like, well, if it's not going that way, we'll take the short, but got an extra beep there, down 135. Yeah, yes, yeah, true. Well, that's a dirty close, really. It's going to do that to me again. Yoma, what up? You're off to your break? You mean like the brake in your car? I don't know, Yoma. We'll see. 30 minutes. Maybe not. Just depends. Maybe. All right, man. All right, we're full port here. I'm going to take one off at... Let's see, that's only 3 points. Nope. I'm going to take one off there. I'm going to take another off here. And then the other one we're going to hold for 85. Something like that. And I won't go stop to break even until we hit our first target. Technically, I could go stop to break even here at 66, but the VWAP's right there. The WeVOP. The WeVOP. Per Thomas Sabo. Earn Max, he is back under another name, just an FYI. Who's Earn Max, Kevin? I don't know who that is. 7 micros, full port long. The amount of points looks so much smaller. It does. Topstep and APEX don't offer straight to some funded accounts. Yeah, I think they will eventually, John. I just don't know when. And we'll see kind of how ES reacts once it gets back to 63 here. That's the idea. We should be up here to my second target or so by the time we hit 63, or at least test it. If it can push through the VWAP here. Yeah, I do think eventually you will see. I mean, I don't know about Topstep. You'll see APEX probably. I think they've mentioned already that they're going to come out with a straight to funded account. So see if the ES can pop the VWAP here. ES pops the VWAP, retest the 63. That's the idea. Hopefully that can do that. At least one more test of the 63. Give us what we need to at least take us out of one or two of our positions here. If it turns down here, then obviously that's bad for us, but it is what it is. I mean, I could take one off here. It's just 3 points. That's why I'm not. Rather at least get 5, I guess. We can just go break even if it hits the 68.75. Woo, it's so hot in here, man. Gotta get the air on. Not the air on, just gotta turn the heat off. Gotta turn the heat off here. I mean, we are in a resistance area here. You can see we've triple topped here. We've double topped here a couple times. Turned back down from this area a couple times. So it could happen again. It's not what we want to happen, but, you know, we can't control what happens. Close back below this gap. We will take this off and eat the loss. And tuck our tail and walk away for the day. Not for the day, but you get what I'm saying. For this session. Shock of the hour there. Shock of the hour taking us lower. Yes, back to the Asia low here. Might get one more sweep. Got 20 seconds left on this candle. Will it close below? I don't know. Looks like it. All right, so my stop's going to go in. I'm going to put the stop down here below this swing. Still give it a chance to go if it can. But have the stop in, you know, just in case. I'm going to move the stop down a little more. Kind of give it room below this. Thinking maybe we get a little soup at this swing here. Give it a chance to get a reaction there. ES made a new low. See if we can rip higher here or not. Get back through this gap. ES bouncing off the 59 there. Got to get back above 61 here to kind of get going. Be retesting the bottom side of that 1 minute trend line there at 61. Gonna have an overshoot here and a retest. Kind of fails to get back over the 62. I probably just kill it. At least we'll get 3 free Apex evals. Maybe. I don't know. See if it can go here. ES pulling back once again. Not really showing any signs of wanting to go, right? The failure to make a new high there is alarming. Looks like a stop out's probably in order here. Trying to give it a chance to bounce. It's just not doing it. We're going to have some work to do on this eval in order to get her back to green. Max didn't give us the call out today. He didn't give us the call out. He didn't give us the proper call out. Oh, Max did us dirty. It is, Marson. It's very snaky. What up, Aaron? How you doing? All right, here we come. Last line in the sand here. Nope, got us. Down 837 now. Man. Do we run into the 430 now? I mean, it kind of seems like we do. Why not? We're already in too deep on this, so may as well go for the blow. I'll take one off at 440. That would be 200. And then 200 more is 400. 600. Still won't be break even there. Won't be break even there. We could get one more in. See if we get a little retest here. We'll go ahead and add the third one. Funny thing is, it's like the exact same spot I'm short from earlier. All right, full send it. Full send it. 443, so that'd be 400. 200, 400, and it'd be like $800. All right. Oh, never mind. We blew it. Oh, Tom did us dirty. Yeah, nah, we just got trapped in multiple directions there. Multiple directions. I mean, you know, my bias was bearish. I took a short all the way over here. And I mean, you know, if you just held it, right? 20 points. I mean, that's how small the range is. Look how tight this is. I mean, we're in a 37-point overnight range. Makes it tough, right? So, well, that's going to do it for me. We'll be back at 9:15 a.m. Eastern, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't already, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And we will see you next time.